Hi everyone, and welcome back to another live trading session here with candles before cubicles. Uh, Yesterday we screwed up like big time. Tried to force something which simply wasn't there, and like usual, I mean, when you lose, you should just walk away instead of trying to make it back. It sounds great to talk about it now. Easy to talk about it now, but frankly, I can't really say what was happening to me yesterday. Whatever it was, it really did cost me a lot because I was just beginning to get green, and yesterday was not the day to go at it, but maybe today is. The markets have opened gap down and they are moving down. It can try to close the gap, so I'm not really sure, but yeah, we'll see. You have some candidates here. There is Karur Vyasa. Okay. Then we have Shipping Corporation of India. This one is on very low volume, so there is time. There is still 6.5 minutes, but this volume is very low as of now. If it keeps up at that volume, that I might not be interested in it. Gpil, Rec, Gpil. Who comes up with these names, dude? Gpil, Godavari, Power. Oh, there's one fat candle. Oh, ha. Good to see that. Then we have Rec Ltd, Rec Ltd. Again, uh, comparatively low volume. Hmm. Nazara and RVNL. Okay-ish volume, I suppose. This is crazy. This guy actually has low volume as compared to the other one, but relatively this has better volume. But this is also growing, I suppose. This is genuinely low. There are too many stocks to keep an eye on. Mm, frankly, I need more monitors. Okay, Nifty is after the first push down, Nifty is recovering, and we can see that recovery in some of these stocks. I suppose Nazara is really just not gonna do for me today. Let's close this. Then we have Rail Vikas Nigam. This one is also not great. So not so much in volume. I'm just gonna start setting things up in the app. Let's start with Karur Vyasa. So we have Karur Vyasa Bank. ATR is 1.63. That gives us position sizing of 19 and stop distance of 2.44. 2.44 will put me roughly at, okay, yeah, that is acceptable, I suppose. Then we have Shipping Corporation of India. This also I think I'm gonna be ditching. I don't know, I'm not really sure. Again, ATR is 2.24. Entries, let's make it 4. Gives me size of 13. 3.36. Okay, that is doable. Godavari Power and ISP. This is 1.92. That is 16. Again, stop is more than enough. This guy can just go. Then we have Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. ATR is 1.11. This size would be bigger. Distance would be 1.67. We will revisit it when the time comes. We might have to revisit on the position size for this one. But in the meantime, let's see what's what. Nifty is recovering after one push down, which has stalled most of these, some of these. Nifty is steadily rising. Market opened quite a bit lower, but sentiment seems to be bullish. Quite bullish. Karur Vyasa, on the other hand, seems to be better, I suppose, at resisting the upward push in the market. Rest all have just more or less given up. We are here. We have to decide. Not much to decide here. Only that would I enter or not. If I do enter, it's very obvious where I do need to enter. Two eight 5.20. Okay. 287.60. 286.56. 286. What the? 286.56. 286 point. I may have to take an eye on these distances. Uh, Fuck. Okay, I made a mistake. Uh, oh my god. I was supposed to move the stop, but by mistake I closed my position. Oh yeah. Okay, it hit one of. I have been so spooked for last few days. It basically hit one of my entries and I was moving my stop to react to that. And I thought I hit one of the stops, but by mistake I closed my order. And I really hope this doesn't just completely breaks down because I'm gonna lose it. I mean, frankly, I'm happy to be out. Okay, I'm definitely happy to be out because today was not the day to push, I think. I don't know when there would be a day to push. Even this was like one single stock, which was just trying to change everything. Otherwise, at least so far, things have been uptrending. You know what, at this point, I'm just happy to be green. And it is what it is. It's gonna be a very slow climb back. Yeah, we do have resistance at 28350, but resistance like we don't have some kind of support. It's basically a bunch of buyers, relatively more buyers as compared to the rest of the market ladder is sitting on 50, like six times, 3 to 6 times. 3 to 5 times more buyers. So I'm out. I'm not trading again. You guys can see my entries on top and bottom of the candle. That is not changing. I'm just taking a look. That's all. It seems for now the 0.50 support is maintained. That's quite the support line. And it seems we are oh my god, we really are pushing higher. Even though we have more volume in this short candle. And when I say short, I don't mean small candle, I mean short candle, like long and short. I have yet to journal my feelings for yesterday. Yesterday was a short day, and this time I mean SHOT, short, not short. Uh, It was a day when like everything just went wrong, much like Monday. So frankly, this week, today is the day which is actually good. Seems this is all the push we had, at least for now. Not much for contrarian or reverse trades. So, I mean, if that is a pullback, that is quite the pullback. It's almost 75%, more than 75% pullback. I don't like that kind of pullback. And from the bid and ask, doesn't seem like it's coming down. And I have technically now activated kill switch on my trading. So I'm officially done for the day. Oh my god, the whole thing just, that is something. Either way, at this point, I don't suppose it matters. Like I said, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna stop the stream now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at